Okay, so question number 6. What is the name of the compound Se4S4? Okay, so if we were to analyze the type of compound we have, you'll notice that we have two nonmetals, selenium and sulfur. So therefore, we have a binary covalent compound. So the reason why we want to find out the type of compound we have is because depending on whether or not it's an ionic compound or covalent compound, they're going to follow a different set of rules in naming them. So the first step in naming binary covalent compounds is to write your first element and if there is more than one, we include a prefix. Okay, so I can summarize all the different prefixes just over here on the right. When we have one atom, we use the prefix of mono. When we have two, we use di. 3 is tri. 4 is tetra. 5 is penta. 6 is hexa. 7 hepta. 8 is octa. 9 is nona. And 10 is deca. Okay, so these are all the different prefixes that will be helpful in naming these compounds. So now step 2 is to write our second element. And we would always use a prefix, even if there's only one, to show how many atoms we have. And also when writing the second element, we would use the ending "ide" when writing out the name. So now for our example, we have selenium and sulfur. So if I were to follow these rules, first I would write my first element, which is selenium, and since there's more than one selenium atom, I would use the prefix. So I would write tetra selenium. And then for my second step, I need to write the second element and use the prefix of tetra again. So tetra. And then from here, I would write out sulfur, except instead of continuing writing sulfur, I would end it in "ide." Okay, so the name of this compound is tetraselenium tetrasulfide. And the junior tutor said that in naming binary compounds, the most metallic element comes first with its elemental name, and the nonmetal would be the second element with its elemental name ending in "ide." Prefix is added to the first and second element, indicating its number of atoms, but if the first element exists only as one atom, prefix mono is not added and its elemental name is retained. Therefore, the name of Se4S4 is tetraselenium tetrasulfide. Okay, so this solution is correct.